I'm up a little bit above 1200 on each account and trading with 5 Tradeify accounts. So that will be a little bit over 6,000 for the day, which is pretty good day. Let's see if ES is gonna hold this morning high. I like it. I like how it's looking. I'm gonna try it long here. Let's see. Been trying to break out the entire morning. Every time it pulls back, it keeps going higher, it gets bought up. Today's price action, it hasn't been the greatest, but ES is definitely showing that it wants to keep going higher. After the big move early morning, we had a lot of consolidation here. Now it's holding morning high. Let's see if we can have more upside here. So my first target, it's gonna be these highs. Can we get it? Come on, do it. Go for it. Ooh, I like that. I like that move. I like that bounce. I think as long as ES keeps holding this support, I think we're good.
A few moments later.
Nice, nice. I like these. I like these. I'm gonna take some profits. Most of my profits around these highs. Morning highs. Okay, so 3, I was holding 4 contracts per account. So 3, now I'm holding 1 contract per account. Really nice move. Really nice move. Beautiful. That was good. That was good. That was a basic break, retest, boom. Really nice trade. Okay, can we break these highs? Let's see. Are we going for more? It looks like it wants more or not. Okay, I'm all out. I liked my trade. I like this. I like this. And I'm done. Bye.